Hi guys, so I missed this project to do it from Mid Arabia Constructions. So this is the one of the contractor under of the Becca Neon. So look at that guys, 20 materials and heavy equipment here. Also this one, see, wow, voila. This is platting for platting road. Look at that guy, it's too heavy, huh? See, nice it, huh? Wow, it's too heavy. And I think after this year will be finish it, but around 70% in the end of 2025. As per the contract is 5 years. Yep. So see, it's plenty project of neon here in Jobalus. We're up there, see. Thomas dump truck, payloader, backhoe. See, it's too much. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.